I've got my pictures. And my mermaid tail. Let's get to work. Wow, I really suit that. I've got some flippers. Let's try them on. The perfect fit. Now I need to tape them together. Why didn't I think of this before? I'll wrap the flippers in the tape. That's the last piece. Look at that! A mermaid tail! It doesn't really have that wow factor. What was I thinking? I have a better idea! All I need is some cardboard and a pair of scissors. A little cut here and there. Check this out! It looks good! I'm finally… Aw, come on. This is a disaster, but I'm not giving up.
Yo, what can I do for you?
I need your help.
Is that all?
This is so exciting!
Check out my latest creations! Whoa!
So this is my vision board. I want to glide through the water, but I have to shimmer.
What? But…
Got it?
These dresses are sparkly!
No! Let me simplify it. This is a girl doll, and this is a fish. Together, they make a mermaid.
Oh, I get it. I'll be right back.
So, what are we doing?
Check this out. Hold still.
I always wanted to be a muse.
I wouldn't go that far. Don't move!
Wow, you're an artist. How's it looking?
And now, my favorite part. It's time to make you shine. All we need is this super special glitter. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Sparkle, sparkle.
Wow, I don't believe it! I'm a mermaid! All my dreams are coming true!
It's gonna cost ya.
Oh right, just give me a moment.
Yeah, you didn't think this through, huh?
Got it! Wait right there! Here you go. It was worth every penny. Wow, this is the best day ever. But I can't wear this. I have to change. Let me think. Aha! This is what I'm looking for. My old clothes box. It's been a while since I opened it. Huh? What's this doing in here? What else have we got? This is a pile of junk. Nope. No way!
Phew. Made it. There must be an easier way to do this. But a real artist never complains. What the? Hey lady!
Okay, I have no idea where this came from. Ooh, this is more like it. Just what I need. But something's missing. I know. I'll need some shells. I guess I'm going to the beach. I wanted to work on my tan anyway. Wow. Smell that sea air. It just feels like home. This seems like a good spot. Oh, I'm supposed to be catching shells. This shouldn't take long. Yoo-hoo! Shells, where are you? Oh, I think I've got something! And it's something big! Are you kidding me? It's junk! Wait a second. There's shells in there! I hit the jackpot! These are great! I'm gonna look amazing. I better hop back home. There's no time to lose. I'll place the shells on my top. Then I'll paint them in aquatic blue. This isn't right. It's missing something. I know. Psst, Tina! What's that? Yoink! You just missed it. So I was with Kevin. Wait! Hey! Stop! Thief! The perfect crime. I can stick the pearls to the top. It just adds a little glimmer. And then I'll stick more around the shells. These little starfish are so adorable. I think it's ready. I can't wait to try it on.
Whoa, that's fabulous.
It's even better than I imagined.
You've got a natural talent, lady. Whoops, I thought I was a goner.
Huh? Who said that? Hey! Get out of here!
What? I thought we had a connection.
Beat it! Can you believe that? Some people… I can use this shower cap. I've cut a hole on the top. It's wonderful. Now I can finally relax. Ooh, look at that. La 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 la. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I can totally do that. La sha la la. Wee.
What's all the noise? Annie, stop it!
Wait, I'm finding my pitch.
My ears! That's it!
Huh? What's going on?
Phew, it's finally over. I can hear again. What?
That's a juicy apple. I needed that. That was pretty good!
You nailed it, sweetie.
I knew it! I felt like I was in the zone. Okay, gotta go!
Oh, she's gone at last. I'm glad I bought these earbuds.
What a day! Life as a mermaid is just how I imagined it. Oh, hey, Dolly. I think you need a makeover. We could be mermaid twins. You would look so good. This tail is totally your color. Wait a second. Wait right there. We need to lose these blonde locks. A quick snip and they'll be gone. You needed a new look. That is one bald head. Now I'll use a needle and thread. This is more your color. Wow, it's gorgeous. Now I'll reattach your body. So far so good. Hands up. Relax, I'm just wrapping you in aluminum foil. It'll feel nice and snug. I'll use these wooden sticks to secure the fishtail. Now I'll cover it with modeling clay. I'll shape it around your legs and tail. Next, I'll need my glue gun. I'll cover the clay with the glue. I'll apply it in a wave pattern. I want it to look like fish scales. I'll add little flicks here. Before it sets, I want to add one more thing. A little sprinkle of glitter. This'll be the finishing touch. It'll make such a difference. The green really contrasts against the blue. Now we need to get you a top. We have to hide your shame. Wow, you're the prettiest mermaid ever! I have a surprise for you! Welcome to your new home! Make yourself comfortable. I hope you like it. My work here is done. I suppose I better do my makeup. But it needs to be suitable for a mermaid. I have a great idea. I need this stocking. I'll slip it over my head. I feel like I'm about to rob a bank. Okay, I've got my makeup brush. I'll start with this blue. I'll apply it in a circular motion. I'll do it on each side of my face. Maybe I'll try a light purple. Ooh, this one's nice. I only need a light coating. I'll blend it with the blue. I can take the stocking off now. Can't wait to see how I look. Wow, it looks just like fish scales. But it can be better. I'll add glitter to it. We all need to sparkle in life. I'll stick gems to my skin. I'll be the most stylish mermaid ever. Can't forget about my eyeshadow. I'll blend the colors. I want it all to match. I'm so happy with this. A quick flick of mascara. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. I don't want to ruin all my hard work. Then I'll get my lashes looking good. What a transformation! Ooh, I almost forgot. I'll need some lipstick. I love this shade. It'll make my lips stand out. It's amazing. I'll let it dry. Then I'll give them a layer of gloss. It just gets better and better. Just look at them. So kissable. Mwah! But I'm not putting my brush down. I'll add glitter across my chest. I don't need a lot. Sometimes less is more. I can't stop looking at it. Wow, that's my makeup done. My hair could use some work. And I know just what to do. All I need is this pen. I'll run it over strands of my hair. Just like this. Who needs an expensive salon? I just hope it's waterproof. I'll take my time. I don't want to miss any spots. Now for the other side. Wow, it's so dramatic. I just love the color. I think I'm ready. I'm finally a mermaid. I feel fantastic. Huh? Someone's at the door. I better answer it. Hold on. I'm on my way. Hello?
Hey, did you order… Whoa. Hi. You're beautiful.
You really think so? That's so sweet.
Do you believe in fate?
Of course I do. Some things are just meant to be.
Just like this moment. Meh, my breath's been worse. How about a kiss?
Is this really happening? He's so cute. Kiss me. Are you kidding me? Whoa! I've got a tail? Maybe it wasn't a dream after all! Why do the other mermaids get long hair? You gotta match the style if you want to hang with us. Get lost.
Hey! Let me go!
Oh no! Stop fighting!
Ow!
Where am I? Ew, gross! Whoa! I got legs! What is this place? Looks cool! Let's go! Ugh, walking's harder than I thought! Whoa! Is this a school? Sweet! Ugh, need to dry my hair. Much better. Now for some clips. One here. One there. Way better. Oh, yeah.
How did she dry her hair so fast? I can do that too.
Hey, careful!
Ugh, not working. Gotta try something else. So annoying. Move! It's my turn!
Okay, let's try this.
Oh. This dryer might work. Guess living on land and looking good is not easy. Ugh, this'll take forever. Let's try a different way. Hope this towel helps. Come on, soak it up. Ugh, this fabric's useless. Maybe there are other towels. Let's see.
Someone call the principal!
I found something! Thanks! Okay, let's try this fabric. Or maybe this cap? Think it's working? Finally. Way better. Now for some clips. Star here. Seashell there. Just like that.
We look amazing! Whoa, so cool!
I know, I'm pretty.
Let me see. Move over.
What?
Chair tryouts are on. I gotta go for it.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Hi, everyone. Here's my dance. Give me an S. Give me an E. Give me an A. This is the C dance. Go Mermaids! Did you like it? Thanks so much. Bye! That was so cool. They loved it. I'm in. Can you believe it?
What? No way!
Oh, yes, way. Here's my new uniform. Check it out. In your face.
Give me that!
No!
Go! I'll show you how it's done. Get ready to be amazed. And 1. And 2. And 3. Oh, this hair's so annoying! I'm fine. And 4. And 5. Oh! Team, let's go! You didn't like it? Darn. That was awful. Didn't make it. So unfair.
Oh, sorry. Here.
And?
Come on, let's practice. And 1. And 2. Hi. I'm new here.
Meh.
Hey, stop! Move your hair!
Sorry. It's the wind.
Ugh, fine. I'll sit here.
Well, here I am.
Show off.
Oh. Whatever. Huh? Rude.
Oh my.
What's that? Ew, it's hair?
Looks like you're leaving a trail.
What?
See for yourself.
Oh, got an idea. I'm posting this. This is gonna blow up. Hey you!
What?
Ready to get embarrassed online? How dare you! I didn't mean it! What do you want? Better clean this up, or I post it. Please no! Gross! Get to it! Ugh! What? Why me? Go on!
Well, guess it's time to handle this. Don't worry. I'll help you.
Let's also wipe the desks and dust, too. Achoo! Oh, I hate cleaning. All done! High five! No thanks. Phew. What's that smell? Yeah, I smell it too. Huh?
What are you staring at?
Don't tell me you're gonna eat that! Oh no! It's seafood! Terrible! Disgusting! Let's teach him a lesson. Time to go plant-based, dude!
What the? Seaweed?
That's better!
Alright, time to get my look together. Much better. Now a little gel. That's enough. Oh, yeah. Hello, handsome. Now a bit of spray. And my fave ears on top. Now I'm ready for class.
Whoa! I gotta fix my hair too! Oh no, here we go. Okay, which notebook? Nope. Not this one. Whoa, these gems are so cool! That gave me an idea. Stick some crystal hearts here. Nice! And some on the other side too. So cool! Wow! With this hairstyle, I'll be the most popular in school. These gems look amazing in my hair. Awesome! Oh yeah? I'll show you real style. Clip here. No. Time for the big guns. Oh, come on, work! Oh no! Wait! What are you doing? Give me that! I just wanted to be pretty, but nothing works. Let's brush your hair first. Now spray this on, like that. Try a gem too. Stick it here. You look awesome! Thanks! Whoa, what a hottie! What? Go talk to him. Go on. Hey, how's it going?
Oh no. Sorry. I don't like short hair.
Huh? Are you kidding me? That jerk just dissed me! Can't believe I'm about to do this. Goodbye, my beautiful locks! Okay, let's make your hair longer. Like this. I can't believe it! Amazing! Uh-huh. Thank you! You're the best! Love you! Whoa! We're back! Look! I've got long hair too! Sure, but what about Miley? Now she looks so different from the rest of us. Awkward. Oh yeah? I know. Huh. Here, now we match. That's so sweet. Perfect. Long live all hairstyles. Oh yeah! I think this look is even cooler, right?